welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you super easy hair combo using new hairstyle from Dress to Impress Petal update. Okay, let's get into it, guys. I'm going to go to the hairstyle selection, and then for the first hairstyle, we're going to use this one, and then we're going to change the toggle, select the half front, and then remove the flowers. Okay, you can make it no flower. Okay, and then the second one, you can use this hair, and then the third one, you can use bang. Go to the bangs, and then you can use this one. Okay, and now it's time to change the color. You can change the color according to your outfit, and for me, I'm just going to choose this color. Okay, I'm going to make it brown, and for this one as well, I'm going to color it the same. I'm going to color it the same color, and also this one. Okay, I'm just going to apply the same color, you guys, and it will create something like this. As you can see, that's so cool, right? And you can try by yourself. Okay, guys, and that's all the way to create this hair combo using new hairstyle in the Dress to Impress Petal update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!